Hi there, this is Teacher Will again from camglish.com. Today we're going to have exercises from the book Essential Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. So are you ready to start? Okay. So today our exercises is the continuation of this first part, which is about a little or a few. So if you haven't answered the first part, just watch the previous videos, okay? Okay, so now my mechanics. I will be reading questions and sentences first, and then when I say pause or put my cursor in the pause sign, pause your video and answer the following, okay? Okay, so let's start. In the first part, just complete the sentences. Use very little or very few plus these words below: coffee, hotels, mistakes, people, rain, time, and work. Let's have number 1 as an example. Your English is very good. You make very few mistakes. Okay, so now I want you to try answer number 2 to number 7 right now. Okay, so are you done? Now let's check your answers. Okay. Number 2, the answer is, I drink a very little coffee. I don't like it. Number 3, the weather here is very dry in summer. There is very little rain. Number 4, it's difficult to find a place to stay in this town. There are very few hotels. Number 5, hurry up, we've got very little time. Number 6, the town is very quiet at night. Very few people go out. And then last, number 7, some people in the office are very lazy. They do very little work. Okay, so I hope you got a great score in that part. Let's move on to the next part. In this, just write little, a little, or few, or a few. Let's have number 1 as an example. There was little food in the fridge. It was nearly empty. Okay, so now I want you to answer number 2 and 7 and pause your video. Okay, so are you done? Now let's check your answers. Number 2, the answer is, when did Sarah go out? A few minutes ago. Number 3, I can't decide now. I need a little time to think about it. Number 4, there was a little traffic, so we arrived earlier than we expected. Number 5, the bus service isn't very good at night. There are few buses after 9 o'clock. Number 6, would you like some soup? Yes, a little please. And number 7, I'd like to practice my English more, but I have little opportunity. Okay, so now let's move to the last part. Just write right or wrong, change the sentences where necessary, write okay if the sentence is correct. Okay, let's have number 1 as an example. We're going away for a few days next week. So the answer is for a few days. So now I want you to answer number 2 to 7 after pausing your video. Okay, so are you done? Now let's check your answers. Number 2, the answer is, everybody needs a little luck. Okay. Number 3, the answer is, I can talk to you now. I got a few things to do. Number 4, the sentence is correct. It's okay. Number 5, excuse me, can I ask a few questions? Number 6, there were little people on the bus. There were a few people on the bus. It was nearly empty. Number 7, the sentence is correct. Okay, so I hope you got a great score in that part. So this is Teacher Will again, and I hope you learned a lot and enjoyed our classes. And see you in camglish.com. Bye.